In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Kajabi subscription. It's a straightforward process, but we're going to walk through each step carefully to ensure everything goes smoothly. Let's get started. First, you need to sign in to your Kajabi account, open your preferred web browser, go to Kajabi's website, and enter your login details to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. Doing so will make the next steps feel a bit more intuitive. Now direct your attention to the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll see a panel with various options. Locate and click on the settings option. This is where you can manage all the backend elements of your Kajabi service, and it's where we need to go to modify the subscription. Next, within the settings menu, find and select subscription and billing. This section contains all the information regarding your current plan, including billing details and available options for plan changes. You're doing great so far. Now look for the Change Plan button and click it. This is the step required if you need to make any adjustments to your subscription or, in our case, cancel it entirely. A new page will load with various plan options. Don't worry, you're on the right track. Continue by clicking on Cancel Subscription. Kajabi will likely prompt you to confirm your decision, a standard measure to prevent accidental cancellations. Click Cancel Subscription again. This second confirmation is an important step as it ensures that you truly want to discontinue your service. The next step is to click on Continue to Cancel. Kajabi may ask you a few questions about why you're choosing to cancel. These are optional but can provide the company with valuable feedback. You can choose to answer or go straight through if you prefer. Once more, click on Cancel My Subscription. This action should trigger a final confirmation message from Kajabi confirming that your subscription has been scheduled for cancellation. The confirmation might also inform you about any remaining access time on your subscription or if you'll immediately lose access. If prompted again, click Continue to Cancel to finalize the cancellation process. All done. Congratulations. The cancellation has been completed successfully. You should receive a confirmation email from Kajabi for your records. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step process to cancel your Kajabi subscription. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. If you encountered any issues or have further questions, feel free to reach out to Kajabi's customer support for additional assistance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials.